Hi everyone, let's integrate the following function. We have 6x divided by 5 plus 3x squared, all raised to the power 4. Let's try the substitution method. Notice in your question we have a 3x squared, and when you differentiate 3x squared you get 6x, which is the numerator. So a useful substitution might be to let u equal 5 plus 3x squared. When we differentiate, we'll have du dx equals 6x. So we can rewrite that as du equals 6x dx. So let's rewrite our original question. We want the integral of 6x on 5 plus 3x squared raised to the power 4 dx. So the aim is to rewrite this question in terms of u. So we'll write down the integral sign. And we know that 6x dx is equal to du. So we'll write du here, which is equal to this part. And then in the denominator, we can write 1 on u to power 4, because u is equal to 5 plus 3x squared. So let's rewrite that as finding the integral of u to the power negative 4 du. So when we integrate, we'll have u to the power negative 4 plus 1 divided by negative 4 plus 1 plus the constant of integration, which will become u to the power negative 3 divided by negative 3 plus c. So now we replace the u with 5 plus 3x squared. We can write that as 5 plus 3x squared to the power negative 3, and dividing by negative 3 is the same as multiplying by negative 1/3, and write your constant here. If you want to write this with a positive power, we'd have to write negative 1 on 3 bracket 5 plus 3x squared to power 3 plus c. So either one of these is acceptable. Thanks for watching.